Hi, my name is Nicoleta Meslek and I am the coordinator of the Organization Studies Master Program at Tilburg University. In the next couple of minutes, I just want to explain to you the major features of our Master Program Organization Studies Complexity and Dynamics. During this presentation, I want you to do three things. First, think about the content of this Master Program and assess if the courses are something that you are interested in. Second, take a look at the practice intervention-oriented teaching methods that we use. Do you recognize yourself in this approach? And third, look at the career opportunities after finishing this master. Is there a fit? Is that something that you see yourself doing in the future? First, let's take a look at the content of our program. This is a one-year program with a multidisciplinary approach. In our courses, we use insights from a variety of disciplines, such as organization studies, sociology, psychology, business, and management. Organizations are complex, organizations are dynamic, and we believe that it is only through such a multidisciplinary approach that we are able to understand such complexity and dynamics. As you can see in this overview, the first two blocks we have content-related courses, while in the last two blocks the focus is on writing the master thesis. In some of our courses, for example, organizing strategy and entrepreneurship, or evidence-based intervention, or societal developments and institutions, we touch upon a variety of topics, such as strategic leadership, corporate entrepreneurship, organization theories, legitimacy, and decoupling. However, what is important for you to notice is that we make use of a variety of intervention-oriented teaching methods. For example, in the OSC course, we use serious gaming. During this game, students develop interventions that are based on a question that is actually brought in by a client. In the evidence-based intervention course, you learn how to develop behavior, process, and technological interventions that are based on empirical evidence. Furthermore, in the STI course, you will learn how to write practitioner's report and you will practice this particular skill. Not only will you be practicing development of interventions in serious gaming and case studies, as you will do furthermore in complexity within organization course and also in interorganizational relationships course, but you will also have the chance to practice yourself what is it like to implement such interventions in real organizations. In the organizational dynamics course, you will be developing and facilitating yourself an intervention in organizations. In the last two blocks of our program, students can actually work dedicated on their master thesis. What's important is that students actually have the freedom to choose from a predefined list of topics what their interest is and what they want to write their thesis about. The writing of the thesis takes place in small groups of 7 to 8 students under a supervisor that is actually an expert on that particular topic. Examples of such topics are gaming or simulation and open strategies, teams in organization, what really makes teams work, or intra-firm network and innovation. To summarize, our program has a hands-on approach. Students will constantly be playing the role of organizational analysts and consultants in various settings, such as gaming, simulations, or real-life organizations. As one of our students actually mentioned in one of our feedback panels, you have a lot of freedom in expressing yourself, and it is surprising to see how many practical elements this program actually has. Finally, you might wonder, well, I'm going to finish this program, what are the career perspectives that I have? What can I expect in this direction? Well, from our facts and figures, what we observe is that 84% of our alumni do find a job within 6 months after graduation. At the same time, the gross monthly income 1 year after the graduation is 2,800 euros. As an indication of the satisfaction with our program, 77% of students that completed our program report that if they would have the chance to choose again, they will follow this master program again. Now, in terms of functions, after finishing the program master, students can actually access a couple of job categories. For example, in project management, they can become project leaders or project managers, consultants, or data analysts or business analysts, or they can have traineeships in consultancy, in policy advising, or in management. There are also other categories possible, for example, staff support or lecturer. In a more advanced stage, after 3 or 5 years after the graduation, students can develop their careers within this project management field. We see a lot of our previous students that actually become project managers, or they work in project support area, or also other categories are also possible. For example, in HR manager, executive staff, marketing manager. We have students that became commercial directors, for example. So you see there is a variety of jobs that you can actually have access to. And you might wonder yourself, well, where exactly do organizational studies alumni work? What you can see here is that actually 15% do end up in management and consulting field, followed by finance and insurance, that is 40%. Then information technology and services is 12%, government and healthcare will be the 5 major areas in which our students actually end up working. Finally, here you can find a list with a couple of the organizations where our students work, for example, at Capgemini or ING Bank or ABN AMRO or Philips, Municipality of Den Haag or the Network City Twente. So you see there are a lot of possibilities and options after this particular program. Now, in case you have any further questions about this program, do not hesitate to contact us, the education coordinator, but also myself and the program director that is listed here. Thank you.